Bismillah. Do you have diabetes? Are you looking for a more natural way to manage it? Black seed can be the answer for you. I'm going to show you how to use it, the dosages, what you should do, and what black seed could do for you. Black seed has lots of different names depending on what area of the world you're coming from. Nigella sativa is the plant name, but it's also called black cumin, kalonji, and cumin. I like to see how things work and proven ways that it's been used. So in this video, I'm going to show you a lot of different studies of how they've used the black seed, the results, and how this might directly help you. Now, diabetes can affect a lot of your body. It can cause renal failure and problems with your liver, your overall body, obesity. And black seed has actually been shown to help with all of these aspects. So let's get into some of them. Also, I want to mention that if you are taking medications, black seed does interfere with medication. But that doesn't mean you can't take it, because lots of diabetic patients who take medications also take the black seed and they work together. So it's best to have your doctor monitor it and check with you to watch and see how it can work for you. Now let's take a look at some studies and then we'll go over the proper dosages and things that you should do. Now this was a randomized, double-blind, placebo-controlled trial. So a pretty good study. And it was on 72 type 2 diabetes patients, men and women, and it was over a 12-week period. And the results were excellent. It helped to lower the insulin levels, the insulin resistance, your BMI levels, so overall weight, and lowered the HDL-C. It also lowered the total glucose levels, the LDL, and the HbA1c, which are other indicators that they measure to see how your blood sugar levels are doing. So overall, really great for a natural product to help manage your diabetes. This next study was very interesting. So it was over 41 type 2 diabetes patients, same age group. They took the black seed oil for 40 days and they had pretty much the same results. But what they did also was they measured what happened after that. So when they stopped taking it, they noticed that most of those benefits got reversed. So you need to keep taking it. But it does something else for your body. So we'll go over that in a minute of what happens when you're taking the black seed over long term. Another study done with 94 diabetic patients, men and women, over a 12-week period. It also lowered the fasting blood glucose, the HbA1c, the insulin levels, the insulin resistance. It helped with the overall cell function. So really good results for using the black seed. Now some of these studies, they use the black seed oil, and some they use the black seed powder. With both, they get results. So you can see if either way you want to use it, you're going to be helping with your diabetes, either one. If you are overweight or struggling to lose weight, I'm going to share with you which one of these works better for you in a minute. There's a few more studies I thought were very interesting. They were over patients who do not take good care of their diabetes, so high risk patients, you would say. They had 94 uncontrolled type 2 diabetic patients, and they were given the black seed for 12 weeks, along with their regular anti-diabetic medication. And it was excellent at turning them around as well, helping to reduce the blood glucose levels and the HbA1c. Some studies from the British Journal showed also that it had really great effects on other complications that diabetes face, such as with your kidneys, in your liver, and even your bones. So I mentioned before that if you're taking it for short term, your effects will be reversed if you stop taking it. But if you take it for a long term, over a long time, slowly it will have a more stabilizing effect, such as your HbA1c will stay over time at the average blood glucose level that it should be. And the same with your insulin resistance and the cell activity will all be staying more stronger at the right levels that it needs to be over time when you're using it. So you want to keep on adding this to the regimen If you're taking medications, just keep this one in there as well to keep it going and to help to reverse the diabetic effects in your body. Over a long term, it will help and slowly diminish completely, inshallah. Many countries around the world use black seed to help manage their diabetes, and it has been proven to be effective. Blackseed is loaded with all kind of benefits for you. They have tons of antioxidants, which will help your body overall with all its complications and problems. It has lots of amino acids that are very important for rebuilding and strengthening your body against these diseases. And along with taking it for diabetes, it will help with other diabetes complications such as obesity and high blood pressure will also be helped by taking the black seed. I have done a few videos on black seed already. If you want to go and check them out, I'll leave some link at the end of this video. I have made a playlist of different benefits and uses of the black seed. You can go and check that out there. Please take a minute to like and subscribe. Thank you. So how should you use black seed to help you? Well, as I mentioned, you can use the black seed powder or the black seed oil. Now, if you're overweight, you should probably use the black seed oil, as taking the oil is more effective with helping with weight loss than the powder itself. And you can watch more on that on my video here on the black seed for weight loss. Black seed has a very strong taste, so it's probably best to get capsules. That way you don't have to worry about the taste. How much you should take? You should take about 1 to 3 grams of black seed oil daily or black seed powder. 1 to 3 grams is enough. And you can start out with a lower dosage and work up from there and keep checking your results. So have your doctor check you first and monitor it, and then you can check after a few months to see what kind of results you're getting, and if you want to increase the amount or not, you can go over that with your doctor. Either way, you should definitely see improvements and results by using the black seed. With your current medication or without medication, you should be able to see results. If you don't have any diabetes, it will help to keep you from getting diabetes. So this is also a good for you. Black seed is excellent for repairing the cellular damage in your body, helping with your insulin resistance, controlling your sugar, helping with your weight, helping with your blood pressure, helping with any diabetes complications that also affect different parts of your body. So overall, it's really great to include black seed oil. Side effects, there are no side effects of taking black seed except for if you're having medications, which is why you need to have your doctor check to make sure the interactions will still be effective. I really like black seed, and I'll leave some links in the shopping bag here. If you can't find any capsules, there'll be some here. You can check them out. Overall, black seed is amazing for your body. Go and watch my video here on how to use black seed for all kinds of different diseases. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.